This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Roberta Burgess. If you don't love this kitchen, you are the only one. An estate home on an extra large lot has much to boast about, from the views, the open floor plan, 2 large crystal chandeliers in foyer and formal dining, coffer ceilings and of course, the kitchen. Indoor and outdoor wet bars, porcelain floors and plantation shutters throughout, new roof, newer air conditioners, 2 offices/dens, custom closets, his and hers master bath with separate water closets and a bidet. A gated community, manned 24/7, located close to anything you will need, and a highly rated school district. For more information, review the details below or contact Roberta Burgess at 239-659-4200.